guys, today I'm gonna show how to fix Microsoft Store all error in Windows. So guys, before going to the video, please turn on the CC for subtitle. So first of all, what we are gonna do is we are gonna check the storage in our system. So if in case you don't have the enough storage in the C drive, the temporary issue may rise. So please make sure you have better storage in the C drive. If in case you don't have enough storage, I have some recommendation like you need to enter into your settings. Over the settings, please click the system. On the system you may see the storage. Over there you can enter into your temporary file and you can delete all the optimization internet files and cache files and temp files over here. So our second step is to enter into your services. Open the services and over there you need to find Windows Update. Please find the Windows Update and then you need to make the Windows Update as automatic, and you need to start, first of all stop the program and then start the program and then apply and then hit enter. Likewise you need to do the another service named as Microsoft Store. Please scroll down and you may see the Microsoft Store install services. So meanwhile you need to make it from manual to automatic, and then please stop the program first. Why? Because it's manually running, so please stop the program and then start the program and then click apply and then hit enter to OK. Once it's done, please close it. So our third step is to reset Microsoft Store. For that, please press Windows R and then type wr reset.exe. It automatically opens the Microsoft Store and it started to reset, and then it automatically close. If in case it's not closed, in the sense, please close manually. So our fourth step is to enter into the app settings to reset and repair Microsoft Store. So for that, please search Microsoft Store or Store and then please enter into the app settings. Over the app settings you need to scroll down to see the repair and reset option. Please repair first and then do reset. And one more note guys, if you reset the application you need to log in again. Why? Because your credential will be deleted. So our next step is to enter into the CMD for SFC scan. Please open the CMD as run as administrator mode. Once you opened, please type SFC space bar scan now and then hit enter, and please make sure guys it will be take some long time from 1 to 100. Have some patience to wait on it, and once it's done, please restart your system and check whether the issue is solved or not. If the issue is not solved, please search PowerShell and open it as an run as administrator mode and copy the prompt on the description and paste it over the shell one by one. There is a two prompt which you are seen in the video. Please copy the first prompt and paste it over there, and following the second prompt, first it remove the app package and then it reinstall the app package. So I hope the video is useful. The issue will be solved once you done this. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube. Bye bye guys.